everyone, my name is Richard Winston. My Facebook name is Shadow Miser Winston, and welcome to a booster pack opening. So far, I have bought, I think a month ago, I have bought 2 Pokemon Breakthroughs theme decks, and now I have the Breakthrough booster packs. And now, let's see. Let's go. Haha! I hope I have the breakthrough one. Here it goes. And that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.